Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we are going to be showing you how to do a basic tune-up on this Poulan WT200 Wild Thing blower slash vac. So we're going to be showing you kind of the yearly maintenance, what I like to do on these machines. So we're going to dive right in. It's super easy and it's going to keep your machine running great year in and year out. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a T20 driver. You can see what it looks like. Again, this is a T20. And we're just going to remove this screw and this screw. And behind this cover is going to be our air filter. So you can see it right here. And we probably need a new air filter on this just because it looks like it's a little old. But if your air filter is in good shape, I recommend just rinsing it with Dawn and hot water and letting it dry on a windowsill and putting it right back. So then to put it back on, we're just going to take this cover, slide it up. Just like that. So there's your air filter change. And then we're going to change the spark plug. So here's our spark plug cap. And to remove the spark plug, we're going to need a 3/4 inch deep socket. So all we're going to do is pull this cap off, and that's going to expose our spark plug. And then we're going to go up with it to loosen. Okay. And then you could remove it by hand. And we're going to be replacing it with a kit from a company called Hypa. So they have this kit where you can buy the carburetor, new fuel lines, priming bulb, gaskets. So here's the spark plug. We're going to thread that into the head, going clockwise with it. Okay, and then we're just going to tighten it down. Put our cap back on. Okay. And now the last thing we're going to do is we're going to show you the fuel filter. So we're just going to remove this cap, make sure it's out of gas. So either open this cap and drain your fuel into a catch pan or something like that. You don't want any fuel in here when you're doing this because we're going to be tipping it up to get this filter out. And you can see there's a filter right in here that's attached to our fuel line. You could either reach in there with like a hook or some sort of like a coat hanger or something like that, or you could just kind of tip it up and it'll come right out. And then all you're going to do is take your flathead and pry off this fuel line just like that. Pry it off, remove it, and then we're going to put the new fuel line on. I will say these are hard to put on. You need to kind of force them on and then keep pushing them like that. Push them in this way to get it to seat around this little knob right here. You want that sitting flush with this, and it does take a little bit. It is kind of a pain, but you can get it. Okay, we're just going to put that back in. Put our cap back on. And that is honestly the yearly maintenance on these. That's what I like to do every year to keep them running great. This Poulan takes a 40-to-1 fuel mix. So make sure you're using the correct fuel mixture on this or your machine isn't going to be running right either. All right, guys, so that was the tune-up, the yearly tune-up on this. And now we're going to show you kind of the features, and then we're going to show you all the attachments and how everything goes together, how to start it. And there's really not a whole lot of information online about this. I picked this up used, it wasn't running. So like I said, I do have videos up on the fuel line replacement and the carburetor replacement. And now this is the tune-up and the demonstration. So the first thing we're gonna do, just show you how to insert the blower hose. So you can see that little rib right here is going to go into the bottom of this right here. So we're just gonna line up the rib with that and then just tighten this down. and that is if you want to use it as a leaf blower. And to start it, and we'll show you the starting sequence. Like I said, this takes a 40-to-1 mix. So the starting sequence is pretty simple. All we're gonna do is we're going to turn the choke all the way down, and we're gonna turn the speed all the way up. We're gonna prime it 8 times. So we'll prime that 8. I'm not gonna start it right now, but we'll prime it 8 times, pull our cord until the engine kind of starts and then stalls back out. And then all you're gonna do is flick it up to half, pull it a couple of times again. It should start and run for you. Let it warm up here for a couple minutes, and then flick it all the way up to the run position. And then you're gonna be at full speed. So then you could adjust your speed down. And then when you want to shut it off, you're just going to press this all the way down, and that's gonna turn it off. Okay, so that is kind of how you start it. And now we'll go into the vac attachment. This is where I couldn't find any information on this. So hopefully this video helps some people that, you know, pick this up secondhand, or, you know, just want a refresher on this. So we're gonna take this off because we're not gonna use this if we're using it as a vacuum, if we're picking leaves up in the yard or whatever. And we're gonna grab the bag. So here's our bag attachment. I'll kind of show you that real quick. And this has the same thing, that little rib right here. And we're going to install it same way we did with the blower hose. Push that in, tighten this down. Okay. And then it has a nice little handle, so you could throw this over your back or over your shoulder while you're carrying it. And then to hook up the next piece, we're gonna show you real quick. We're just gonna grab a flathead. Okay, so here's our flathead. And all we're gonna do is come into here, and we're gonna push this up. And while we push this little tab up, we're just gonna kind of pull that up. And that's going to release this cover. And then we're gonna take our other attachment, this big tube. It's gonna kind of be hard to fit everything in this video, but you can see this big tube with these hooks. There's what it looks like. And we're going to put these hooks just like this underneath. And then you can see this is going to screw in to this hole right here. So like I said, we're gonna put these hooks over here, over both of those. And then we're gonna press down, and then we're going to tighten this knob. And hopefully this video helps people, because I honestly, like I said, I couldn't find any information on this. Okay, so there is that. And then when you're carrying it, it would be like this. And I just tested it out in the yard, and it works really great, actually. I'm pretty happy with this. Okay, so there's what it looks like installed. You can see the hooks over that. All right, and then we'll just turn it back into a blower real quick. We'll just loosen this all the way. Okay, and then just take that back off. And then just close that, and that clicks into place. And then we can set it back up. Take this off. And then we could put our blower hose back on. Because I'm assuming this is what most people are going to be using. You probably only use the vac attachment in the fall. And yeah, guys, that pretty much sums up everything, the yearly tune-up and the demonstration on this Poulan WT200 Wild Thing blower. If you guys have any questions at all, be sure to reach out in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, if this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Check out the video on the fuel line replacement, the carburetor replacement. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.